Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with my brother Kenneth, and it's 8:22 I think, and tomorrow we're gonna make a unboxing video. We're gonna be unboxing our new Xbox One S that my mom bought today. Maybe tomorrow we'll open it. We'll make the unpacking video and how you plug it in and all that. So like and subscribe for tomorrow's video. Okay? Bye guys. Remember, I'm Goku Savage Gamer.